BlurMe is an online AI blur tool that automatically detects and blurs license plates and videos. Here's how it works. Open your browser and go to BlurMe Studio. Upload your video, and once it loads, turn on AI detection. From the blur options, select license plate mode. BlurMe AI instantly scans the video, detects visible license plates, and applies a blur automatically, even if the car is moving. When there's more than one car in the frame, BlurMe doesn't stop at just one license plate. The AI can detect and blur multiple license plates at the same time, even as cars pass each other or move through the background. For example, if you're filming a street interview and traffic is flowing behind your subject, BlurMe automatically blurs every visible plate without you having to edit each car. This solves a major problem for teams filming in real-world environments where cars aren't staged. Journalists covering stories on busy streets and real estate agents recording neighborhood walkthroughs can all publish their footage without worrying about exposing private vehicle information. BlurMe also understands that license plates don't look the same everywhere. The AI is built to recognize different license plate formats from around the world, including variations in color, spacing, and character styles. So if you're a media team working with footage submitted from different regions, BlurMe can still detect and blur plates automatically without needing regional presets or frame-by-frame editing. That means fewer mistakes, faster editing, and no need to double-check every frame. Once the plates are blurred, you're still in full control. You can fine-tune the blur to match your content using our blur settings panel. You can increase blur strength and size for compliance-heavy footage like dashcam recordings that pick up other people's license plates. This helps you legally share or publish dashcam footage while staying compliant with privacy regulations and avoiding the exposure of personally identifiable vehicle data. When everything looks right, export the video instantly in HD. Simply download your footage. No software installations and no technical setup. Just a clean, privacy-safe video ready to post. This is exactly what BlurMe Studio is built for. Automatic, AI-powered license plate blurring that works in real environments, all completely online. Head over to BlurMe Studio today and try it for free.